Okay, guys, so today I'm gonna be testing which car can offer better, my automation made car or normal beamng car. And now I'm gonna get to off-roading. Okay, so the green pickup truck made by me made it. But it got dented a little and the bumper fell off. So, I mean, that happens with every automation car. So, now let's test out the normal car. I think the normal pickup truck failed to get up this mountain, while the green one actually did it somehow. So now, durability test. I'm gonna see if the green one can go down. Successfully survive the fall. And starting now. Okay, so this thing, I know flipped and I used no grabbers to flip it back over. But God admit, even if I didn't use no grabber, this thing would look just how it does look. Yeah, this thing barely got destroyed. A little bit of dents in the front, but not really a big deal. Oh yeah, now the blue one. That didn't even make it up, so I don't even know if it can make it down. If I can't make it up, then I can't make it down. I have no confidence in the building. I have no confidence. Bro, a tire already got deflated and it got stuck. I lost hope of it. Didn't make it up, but made it down kind of. I had to no grab it way more than the green. So I think the car you should really off-road with is my green pickup truck. Now if you want to see a part 2 of this where, I don't know, I take one of that, but like the real off-road version versus this, then yeah, like and subscribe if you want to see that. My goal for subscribers is 5 at this point. And likes, let's try to get like 10 to 15. Now if you can do that, then I will make a part 2 of this video. Us doing a giant off-roader for this one. And the same for this one. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Goodbye.